In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Start by launching Settings and scrolling to tap on Advanced Features. Now tap on one-handed mode on the left, and to activate it use this switcher at the top right corner. Then decide if you want to reduce display size with gesture or button, and wherever you decided, follow the instructions below the chosen one. Like in this case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of it, you can click on this icon on the left or on the right. You can also hold this line and drag your screen. If you want to resize it though, hold one of its top corners and drag it as well. To go back to standard size screen, click on blurry area, and to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!